Apple Watch SE hits record low $138 at Walmart. 45% off. Hold on to your seats. Apple's budget smartwatch just hit an eye-popping price at Walmart that's hard to ignore. Imagine snagging a device packed with health and fitness features for less than $150. Even Amazon, the retail giant known for its price-matching prowess, hasn't managed to keep up with this deal. But here's where it gets tricky. Is a budget smartwatch still worth the investment if you're not an avid Apple user? Let's break it down. As of July 23, 2025, Walmart is offering the Apple Watch SE, second generation, for a jaw-dropping $137.99. That's a 45% discount from its usual $249 price tag. A savings of $111.01. To put that into perspective, the previous lowest price for this model was $149 in November 2024. This isn't just a flash sale, it's the new record low for the device. And if you're wondering why Amazon hasn't matched it, you're not alone. The e-commerce titan hasn't dropped its price to match Walmart's offer yet, making this the most competitive deal available right now. Now, you might be thinking, is the Apple Watch SE worth $138? Let's look at what you're getting. This isn't just a cheaper smartwatch, it's a full-featured fitness companion that tracks your workouts, monitors your heart health, and even detects falls. It includes GPS for mapping your runs or hikes, ECG-like heart rate alerts, and the ability to answer calls or stream music directly from your wrist. For under $150, you're essentially paying less than half the cost of the full Apple Watch while still getting most of its core capabilities. But here's the part most people miss. The SE lacks the always-on display and ECG app of its pricier sibling. Are those missing features deal breakers for you? That's the $111 question. And speaking of deals, let's not forget the other tech deals currently available. The Apple AirTag 4-pack is on sale for $79.98, a $20 discount. The 2025 MacBook Air with an M3 chip is $849, a $150 drop. And the AirPods Pro 2 with USB-C charging is $169 for $80 cut. These aren't just random products. They are Apple's most popular gadgets, now at prices that make you wonder why you ever paid full price before. Samantha Mangino, Mashable's Boston-based shopping reporter, has spent 3 years testing everything from ergonomic gaming chairs to steam irons. Her hands-on approach means you're not just getting a list of deals, you're getting insights from someone who's literally sat on the couches they review. When she says the Apple Watch SE is a smart buy, it's not just hype. It's a recommendation backed by real-world testing. So, what do you think? Is this the best time to jump into the Apple ecosystem, or should you wait for a deeper discount? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're already an Apple user, is the SE worth upgrading from your older model? We're all ears, and we'll be watching how this deal shakes up the smartwatch market. One thing's for sure, when a $250 device drops to $138, it's a conversation starter. Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, Best Budget Smartwatch Deal. *** alert. Budget-friendly Apple fans rejoice. *** uncover the incredible value of the Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, now more affordable than ever. Are you an Apple enthusiast seeking to elevate your ecosystem with a feature-packed smartwatch without draining your wallet? Look no further. Amazon is currently offering an unbeatable deal on the Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, that's sure to tantalize your senses. The deal ***. Snag the 40mm GPS version of the Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, in your preferred color, for a staggering $80 off ***, 32% discount, bringing the price down to just under $170. This is an unmissable bargain for a smartwatch loaded with an array of innovative features. What you get almost the full watchOS experience enjoy the bulk of Apple's esteemed watchOS, complete with access to the App Store, where you can explore and download a wide range of apps. Key safety features Emergency SOS for urgent situations. Fall detection to ensure your well-being. Crash detection for enhanced safety on the move. All-day battery life While it may not last beyond a day, the battery life is sufficient to get you through your daily activities, with a nightly recharge being the norm. But here's where it gets controversial. Is the absence of ECG, blood oxygen tracking, temperature sensing, and an always-on display a deal-breaker for you? Or do the savings and included features outweigh these omissions? Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't miss out. Tap into this incredible offer on Amazon while it's still available. For less than $170 you can own a feature-rich Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen that's sure to complement your Apple ecosystem beautifully. Side note considering an alternative. Explore the Motorola Razr 2025 for $199.99 with a 2-month total 5G or 5G Plus plan from Total Wireless. Check out the offer, https://totalwireless.s/JV.io/C/1140616/15774 sub-ID 1 =$parazedajul. About the author Pricier Mladenov, a seasoned news and affiliate content writer at Phone Arena, has been uncovering the best deals since December 2021. With a deep understanding of mobile tech and a background in sales, Pricier guides readers to significant savings on various gadgets. Disclosure we may earn a commission if you make a purchase through our links. Walmart deals. Apple Watch SE drops to $138, Hisense TV and GoPro offer $111 off. Imagine snagging a top-tier smartwatch for a fraction of its usual price. Today, Walmart is offering an irresistible deal on the 2nd-generation Apple Watch SE, slashing $111 off its original price to bring it down to a jaw-dropping $138. This isn't just any bargain, it's a new all-time low price for this highly sought-after device. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this the best time to buy an Apple Watch SE? Or should you wait for the next model? Let's dive in. The Apple Watch SE is already renowned for being the most budget-friendly Apple Watch on the market, and it's consistently ranked as one of the best smartwatches of 2025. This incredible deal from Walmart makes it even more enticing. The SE offers a plethora of essential features, including fitness tracking, on-wrist calls and texts, and even crash detection. Our reviewer noted that the lack of an always-on display might be a deal-breaker for some, but at this price, it's a small trade-off. Just keep in mind that only the midnight color variant is available at this discounted rate. But the deals don't stop there. Walmart is also offering a massive 35% discount on a 75-inch 4K Hisense TV, bringing the price down to $250 off. This TV is a powerhouse, boasting 4K resolution, Dolby Vision, HDR, and HDR10 support for stunning visuals and rich colors. Plus, it comes with DTS Studio Sound for immersive audio, and is compatible with both Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa for added convenience. And this is the part most people miss. Bigger TVs often mean a better viewing experience, and the 75-inch Hisense is perfect for most living rooms. For the adventure enthusiasts out there, Walmart has a fantastic deal on the GoPro Hero 12 Black Action camera. You can grab it for just $279, saving you a whopping $90. This rugged camera is a generation old, but still packs a punch with its ability to capture stunning 5.3K videos and 27MP still photos. It even supports 240 frames per second slow-mo for those cinematic shots. The device can record for up to 2.5 hours per charge and is waterproof up to 10 meters, making it perfect for all your summer adventures. These deals are some of the best we've seen since Walmart's summer sale ended earlier this month, but they could disappear at any moment. Don't wait too long, or you might miss out on these incredible savings. So, what do you think? Are these deals too good to pass up, or are there better options out there? Let us know in the comments below.